Just check that weather out for a Saturday morning. What a day to be doing a job on a Saturday. Absolutely amazing. So this morning I'm actually cleaning the apex of this roof just here, just the fascias and the outer covers for the ridges just there. We'll clean that, clean the underside. So that's all we're doing this morning. Nice little Saturday morning job. But let me know, how much would you charge? And then at the end of the video I'm going to tell you how much I have charged just to clean these fascias at the front. Now I'm not rushing. I'm going to take my time. I'm going to do a proper job as I would any other job. I've no reason not to, just because it is a Saturday morning and the weather is looking like this. So let's crack on, let's grip it, rip it, and let's make it shine, baby. Let's do this. Woo! Got my backpack just there. Got the Synergy Pro inside of there from Pure Seal. Absolutely amazing stuff. I'm going to get that on to begin with. Then I've got my water, purified water in the tank, and I'll just go over everything once I've done, just to rinse everything off with that. Let me just show you quickly. Now the lady is going to get all this paintwork sorted out after. It's not too bad underneath, it's just the exterior. So we'll get that sorted out today. So we've given it a clean. The Synergy Pro's working its magic, as you can see. Just on the bottom of the wall for the customer down there, because there was a bit of algae on. She has just been out and she says that she does get quite a lot of water down there, and you can see there's a lot of water, especially when it rains. So ideally what she could do with having done, cut them slabs down there, about a 6-inch gap, drop some of that stone off and it'll soak straight away. through there. But yeah, Synergy Pro's doing its thing, but that's pretty shinish as well. Pleased with it at the minute, so it's going to look even better soon. So I've got the pure water in the tanks. I'll rinse it off with that, and then I'll clean the windows as well as. So let's carry on. So I'm back at home. Me Action 5 overheated because it was in direct sunlight for a good hour. So it taken me about an hour, just under an hour, about 50 minutes to fully completely clean. I cleaned it, I used the Synergy Pro, that was amazing. I then rinsed it off. I cleaned that little bit of render down that she had. That took some of the algae off of there a little bit. She's going to get that sorted out because there is issues with that at the bottom that I didn't show you. I then went over and cleaned the windows with my purified water system that I've got. So again, at the full clean, taken just under an hour. So how much would you charge? Well, I charged £45 to do that. Tell me what you think. Do you think that was too cheap? Do you think it was too much? I don't think that was a bad price. Out of all that, I probably earned £30, so £30 an hour. It's not bad going. It's a Saturday morning. The weather is glorious. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. Can't show you the finished product, like I said, because my camera overheated, and that is the first time that this camera is overheated, but it was left in direct sunlight. Other than that, this camera has been amazing. If you're after an action camera, get a DJI one. Don't get a GoPro because they're crap. So that is it for today. I'll see you later. Ta-da, ta-da, bye-bye.